In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlist a listing on Airbnb. If you need to take a break from hosting or simply want to manage your availability, unlisting your property temporarily is a great option. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, we'll start by visiting Airbnb's website. Open your web browser and type in airbnb.com. Once you're there, you need to access your hosting dashboard. Look for the option that says Switch to Hosting, and click on it. This switch will take you from the regular Airbnb site to the part of the platform where you manage your listings and reservations. Once you're in the hosting dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left. Click on the Listings section. This is where Airbnb displays all the properties you manage. Browse through your listings until you find the one you need to unlist. When you see it, click on the listing to open up the options specific to that property. Next, we need to head over to the settings for that listing. Find the Settings section and give it a click. In this area, you can manage various details of your property, including its availability. Now, pay attention as this is where things really come together. You'll need to locate the Listing Status section and click on it. Here, you'll see various options related to the current status of your property. To unlist the property, look for and click on Unlisted. Doing this ensures that your listing is temporarily taken off the platform, keeping it unavailable for booking until you decide to list it again. But here's an interesting feature to consider. Airbnb allows you to unlist your property for specific periods. If this appeals to you or fits your needs, your next step is to click on Choose Dates. This is useful if you know in advance when you don't want to host. Once you click there, you'll be prompted to select the range of dates during which the listing will remain unlisted. Carefully choose the start and end date according to your plans. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click on it to ensure all your settings are confirmed. This action will effectively unlist your chosen property for the specified period you selected. And that's it. You've successfully unlisted your property on Airbnb, providing the flexibility to manage your hosting duties as needed. Remember, you can relist your property at any time by following similar steps and choosing to list it again. Thank you for watching and happy hosting.